Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to follow people on Roblox. So if you want to follow your friend, you can just search their username and then follow them. But if you want to follow a person that created a game, so just go to the game and then click the developer. So as you can see here, this one has a 4.6k followers. Just click the three dots and then click follow. And then you already follow this person. So that's how quick and easy to follow people on Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.